Sensibility and practicality define the 2008 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. A 4.8-liter V8 engine pairs with a sophisticated 4-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Chevrolet infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as front and rear reading lights, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, and more. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, ignition disabling, OnStar, and ABS brakes. It also arrives with a Carfax history report indicating just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.